An innovative brickline dispenser for all builders. Let's make it easy. Reason 1. With this unique dispenser, there are no more troubles. And when working with it, things are easy. Like a built-in blade to cut the brick line safely without an extra need for a knife or a pair of scissors. You can dispense with one hand, and you don't need any extra tools. Reason 2. Efficiency. This unique dispenser saves your time. You are able to rewind tab to wind up any unused brick line easily. And there's a notch to hold the brick line neatly when not in use. Reason 3. I believe you need a clever tool to be efficient. And this is what you need. A line level to check the horizontal level. Reason 4. Well, are you bored with the traditional tools? With different colors and sizes of brickline refill, tools can be customized and functional. Reason 5. On top of that, you want an economy delivery, right? With its compactness, this dispenser helps you save a lot of storage space. And it's highly flexible, all the while saving your storage space and, more importantly, the delivery cost. Here are 5 good reasons for why you need it. Call us for more details. Your reliable partner.